Building a successful construction company takes a lot of time, effort, and dedication. If you're looking to improve your business strategy and grow your business, the following books can help you get started. The first book is Balanced Accountability: Leadership Secrets to Win Hearts and Maximize Performance. One of the most important parts of running a successful business is creating healthy employer-employee relationships. Balanced Accountability provides a framework for employers to achieve this through clear and respectful communication, holding themselves accountable and motivating employees to perform at their best. Author Hernani Alves has over 20 years of business experience and is passionate about helping entrepreneurs and business owners become more effective leaders. The second book is The Pumpkin Plan: A Simple Strategy to Grow a Remarkable Business in Any Field. Mike Michalowicz wrote The Pumpkin Plan to help business owners level up their company without running themselves ragged. A business owner himself, Michalowicz shares the plan he learned from a pumpkin farmer to turn his stunted company into a multi-million-dollar business. While this book can be applied to any industry, it's been a hit among construction startup owners looking for sustainable growth opportunities. The third book is Fix This Next: Make the Vital Change That Will Level Up Your Business. Another book by Mike Michalowicz, Fix This Next, aims to help entrepreneurs identify their biggest problem and create a plan to address it. Michalowicz uses his experience growing a successful company to show business owners how to create a hierarchy of needs, identify which ones need the most attention, and take actionable steps to address them. The fourth book is Elevating Construction Superintendents: A Principle-Based Leadership Guide for Assistant Supers and Superintendents in Construction, The Art of the Builder, Book 1. Construction superintendents play a crucial role in the building process. When trained properly, they can serve as leaders alongside project managers to ensure that each project they work on is successful. Elevating Construction Superintendents provides readers with fundamental principles and actionable steps to help them achieve success as superintendents and assistant supers, a must-have for anyone looking to grow in the role. The last book is Monthly Bill Organizer: Expense Tracker, Budget Planner, Bill Organizer. Staying organized is crucial to a business owner's success. Monthly Bill Organizer provides a simple, effective way to keep track of your expenses and ensure that no bills slip through the cracks. While this is designed for people in all walks of life, construction professionals can use it to their advantage when keeping track of their project or business expenses. There you have the 5 must-read books on construction business strategy in 2023. For more of the top-rated books in the construction industry, covering everything from basic construction fundamentals to position-specific tools and resources, visit our blog at bigrents.com/blog.